Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to turn off autopay in Amazon Prime Video. This is gonna be really easy. The first step we're gonna do is to find this uh, icon in our app. We're gonna open our app, and once we are here, we're gonna click this icon right here. Once we click this icon, we're gonna see this option right here. We wanna click uh, this button here, and then we wanna find this option called auto play. Okay, auto play is the option to play the next episode automatically. We're gonna click this switch right here, and here you go. You have turned off autopay. If this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.